Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Haier top-load washing machine. First, ensure your machine is connected to a power source and that the water supply hoses are securely attached. Open the lid and load your clothes loosely around the central agitator, making sure not to pack them in tightly. Overloading can reduce cleaning effectiveness and stress the motor. For best results, fill the tub to about 3/4 of its capacity, allowing clothes to move freely. Next, it is time to add your detergent. For most loads, 1 or 2 tablespoons of liquid detergent or 1 pod is sufficient. Pour liquid detergent directly into the dispenser drawer, never directly onto your clothes. Then, turn the cycle selector knob to choose the best option for your laundry. For example, use normal for everyday items, heavy duty for sturdy fabrics, or delicates for fragile garments, ensuring optimal care and cleanliness. Now, let's customize your wash. Select your preferred water temperature, such as cold for colors or hot for whites, using the dedicated buttons. Choose the water level that matches your load size, preventing wasted water. For clothes that are very dirty or for those with allergies, consider adding an extra rinse option. Once all settings are confirmed, simply close the lid firmly and press the start button to begin the cycle. The lid will then automatically lock for safety. Once the washing cycle concludes, the machine will signal, and the lid will unlock. Promptly remove your clean laundry to prevent any musty odors or excessive wrinkling. After each wash, it is a good practice to wipe down the inside of the drum and the detergent dispenser with a damp cloth to remove any residue. To keep your machine fresh and dry, always leave the lid open for several hours after use, allowing the interior to air out completely. This simple step helps maintain its longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.